This is a 2011 Royal Enfield G5 Bullet 500 Electra Deluxe. When I bought it, it was a non-runner. It had suffered a mechanical fate of just being set up for years and years. And the fuel system was just pretty much completely destroyed on it. Had to replace or clean everything. And one of those items was the fuel tank. And when we poured the gas out of it, it was black because the tank had rusted so bad. And so I've cleaned the tank up, and after several cleanings and several coatings, maybe you can see the goo in there, I still keep getting a plugged up fuel filter. And that ranges from hard to start, won't run, sputtering from running. So I decided to order, this is a US spec model, so I decided to order another fuel tank from Hitchcocks. And we're going to see what that looks like. I wish I could say it more like Stuart Fillingham, but that's the best we got. It's packed really well. So well that really well. Lots of styrofoam. Part sheet. They sent me a Himalayan catalog. And I bet you this is the factory box. So we're going to push pause for right now while I unbox the box from the box. This is packed really well. From England. This is kind of cool. From Royal Enfield, a unit of Electra Limited. Spare parts department. T.H. Chennai, and that's in Tamil Nadu, India. And this is the box that it came from. It says this is the black chrome with gold lining tank. Let's open this up. Ooh, it's Christmas all over again. Wow, the spacers and the pads. This is almost as well packaged as the packaging you get at Sam's that requires a bomb to open it. I can get away with this because the tank is upside down. I would never do this right side up. Oh, looking good so far. Woo! That's pretty. That's all the way from India, and then it's been sitting in England for who knows how many years. And that's a brand new tank. And if I have a flashlight, and I don't, oh, I do. Oh yeah. It's perfect on the inside. Perfect. Okay. So I think once I put this tank on this motorcycle, my fuel problems will be over. I really like this thing. It is a hoot. And now, with a brand new tank, I'm thinking my fuel problems are over. And it's also cool that these tanks are all handmade and hand painted. There's the end of the brush strokes right there. Cool.